Hello everyone, welcome back to Discover Talent Presents. I'm your host Vinod. Today we are diving into pivot tables in Excel, but with a twist. Copilot is here to make your analysis even smarter. Not only you will learn about how to create a pivot table, but you will also see how Copilot can suggest best charts, spot trends, and even predict future insights. So are you ready? Let's get started. So since you can see on the screen, this is the raw data set what I have. I have the order ID, price, total, region, and status available. Okay, what I have did, I have just now converted this data set into a table. Okay, if in case you are not aware how to convert that, let me just show you that part. Okay, so simply I'll just copy this data, I'll paste it over here in a this particular format, which is raw format. Have that data, click on insert and then click on table and then hit. You can see at one single click you can see the data into a table. Now you can do a copilot analysis from here. Okay, or maybe there is another method where you can do a analysis, but before we move to a copilot, let's do a analysis with the help of pivot table. Okay, to do a analysis, what we usually do, we select a any of the cell or maybe data, right, and click on this insert and then pivot table and hit OK. As soon as you hit OK, you will get a pivot table fields like this. You might be seeing a pivot table field sometimes, okay, in this scene, but I have intentionally kept it like this. So this is the design for me. Category, quantity, price, total, so on and so forth. Perfect. So now let's drag and drop the values over here. Okay. Let me just keep this section date into a row section, and then I'll say this is the price. So this is the price which I am seeing it over here. When I right click here, simply click on this option group, and suppose you want to see a month or quarter wise rather. Okay, right now we are seeing this month wise. I want to see this as a quarter wise. I'll simply click here. So I have this quarter wise details available. Likewise, what I'll do, I'll just keep this month wise as well. So this is done. Now suppose I want a new pivot table to be added, right? So I'll just copy this and paste it here simply. And this time I want a product to be shown. So I'll just say this products, and I'll keep this the quarters like this. Likewise, I'll do it for region. Let's drag region now, this region, and I'll close it. You can see this is how the, okay, so this is the bifurcation basically. We are maybe unsure sometimes, right, what type of chart would be a great approach to showcase in front of client, right? Sometimes what we do, and then we just go here and simply just insert any of the chart randomly, whichever we find it good. Okay, and we just insert it like this time what we gonna do over here is simply we gonna explore a copilot option. Further analysis, what we gonna do, we will use a copilot. We can either save this file on OneDrive, okay, and do analysis, or simply first save this file, this particular file, save on any of the path wherever you want to. I'll just keep this as analysis 786, save it, and I'll ensure there is no any other data left. Okay, so I'll just delete this, and even I delete this as well, and I'll save this once again. Simply click on this any of the option, simply click on the browser, okay, and type copilot.microsoft.com. You can see, hey Vinod, how can I help? Okay, so now you can see there are two options available over here, think deeper and talk to copilot. You can even talk to a specific copilot over here, which is again AI driven. which will help us to give the whatever prompt you will ask, right? So it will interact with you and give the insights accordingly. Right now what we're gonna do, we just simply upload a file over here, and 786, and I'll upload this file. And as soon as I upload this file, I will say what are the key trends in this data. Suppose I'm not able to find a analysis with the help of normal pivot table. Okay, suppose I have bigger data, that time I can use this particular prompt. I'll hit a enter. So let's see what is the data outcome coming from Gen AI. There you go, you can see here is a stands out from the data file which we have shared, correct? Electronics dominate sales, region, so on and so forth. This is the insights basically it's coming out from. And what strategies can we implement to reduce pending orders? So click here. Simply again, we have not added any kind of a prompt. It's a predefined prompt, Microsoft Copilot itself, and we are getting a amazing results. You can see it, folks. Okay, this will really help you to do a further enhancement and improve your business decisions, that's for sure. Okay, here these are the strategies. First is optimize supply chain and inventory. Second, prioritize order fulfillment. Third, offer alternative solutions to the customer. Enhance workflow automation. Analyze customer order patterns. Regional warehousing, employee training, and task allocation. I just loved it. Okay, you can pass on the feedback if in case you are not really happy with the response. Okay, you can definitely pass on the feedback to Microsoft. They will definitely work on that. And if in case you have anything to speak to, right, and you can definitely click on this option, and you will get a recorded message. Hey Vinod, how's it going? Okay, you will get a message from Copilot. So hi Copilot, I want to understand what type of chart I will use it while I'll do a regional analysis for my sales. For regional sales analysis, sales. Yes. For regional sales, a bar chart is ideal. It clearly shows comparisons across different regions, making it easy to see which regions are performing better. Have you used bar charts before? Perfect. You can see, right, as soon as I click on this option, whatever questions I have, right, in terms of my data, it gives me the response then and there. Okay, and one more thing, and maybe clear note for you guys, if in case you are uploading any data, okay, so when the data is analyzed by the Copilot, that time they don't have a visibility about your data, so you have to speak about your data. For example, suppose you want to analyze any data, you have to say sales pattern, I want to understand for a sales pattern for next 3 months. Okay, or maybe you can say what type of chart I will use for a sales pattern data, something like that. Okay, those kind of questions you have to ask as a open ended, a proper reply from Microsoft Copilot. Again, there are some policies, privacies added by the Microsoft Copilot, save your data at the back end. However, whatever data decision you will get it, this is based on the response you are typing into a Copilot. Cool. So this is what it is, and this is really help, this particular information will really help you to make a business decision properly. And let me ask this particular question. Okay, what is the best chart for the sales analysis data? This is the amazing reply I am receiving. It regional analysis, what I have to do, stack bar chart, geo map, heat map, so on and so forth. You can also predict a future trends if in case you wish to, in terms of your data patterns. Right now we have a very limited data set. However, if in case you have a bigger data sets file, right, and you have a amazing Microsoft Copilot with you, okay, you can definitely upload those files in the Microsoft Copilot, and you can definitely ask a future analysis with Copilot to get a prediction for your future trends, folks. Okay, you can ask prompt like, can you predict sales for a next quarter? Okay, Copilot will generate a forecast using a historical data, providing insights on potential growth or decline. This feature is a game changer for businesses, students, and analysts who want data driven decision making at their fingertips. Okay. And one last good news is that Microsoft Copilot is completely free, folks. Okay, so leverage this facility and use the Microsoft Copilot. And that's it. With Pure Tables and Copilot, you can analyze data, choose the best chart, and even predict a future trends effortlessly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. Let me know in the comments what's your best Copilot feature. See you in the next video. Happy analyzing. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.